some more toy train reviews. This is from Takara Tomy, and these are the plarail. So they have the blue tracks and whatnot. I've gotten a few of these from my friend Komura-san. This is the Great Race Gordon. Really cool. Obviously, these are bigger scale. They're plastic. You can have them as freewheeled, like this one is, or forward. When you put a battery in them, forward, and they'll go on their own, and reverse too. This one comes with this tender and a passenger car. My son loves these things. My youngest son loves these things, and they're perfect for him. They're bigger, a lot more grip for him. I think sometimes he still tries to figure these out because I've seen those things bent from his other train. But very cool. Again, the detail with these toys are amazing. Anyway, so that's a quick review of Gordon. And these, I think they run around $10 to $15.